All right. Good morning, everyone. Durwood Shepard here with the Roadway Design Office to talk about some of the updates to Index 410. Just a little bit of an overview of some of the changes we made. There was some confusion or maybe a little bit of misguided notion about some of the requirements for the longitudinal and vertical reinforcing in some of the walls. We had to update the trailing in guardrail mounting height to match our new 31-inch guardrail, included some new construction joint notes, and like I say, worked on the consistency of the reinforcing notes throughout the indexes. To start with, in the general notes section on sheet, this is actually sheet 1, we added in note 2 to make it clear that all longitudinal reinforcement is to be continuous and all splices are to be lapped a minimum of 2 feet. On sheet 2 of 25, again, we updated the trailing in guardrail mounting height to match the new 31-inch guardrail. On sheet 4 of 25, for the this is where we're detailing some of the bifurcated median sections. For the section of a grade difference of 6 inches or less, we've added in this option of a construction joint, and that's to help with slip forming of these units and to allow the footing to be cast separate from the actual bare unit on top. So we're detailing this allowable dowel bar and the construction joint. On the vertical reinforcing for the bifurcated median walls on sheet 4, we had to update this vertical reinforcing spacing to 8 inches to match the design requirements for other similar barrier walls. Again, we worked on the consistency of notes throughout the indexes, or throughout the index. There's a lot of different types of heavily reinforced wall sections, including the bifurcated walls, the shoulder walls of different types. Through sheets, you can see there on the top, sheet 3, 4, 14, 15, 20, and 21 and 25. And those had to deal with reducing the vertical steel spacing to 4 inches on center, a distance of 4 feet of each side of a cold joint or expansion joint of the wall. The longitudinal reinforcing note, including the lap splicing of 2 feet, and minimum wall segment length. Those 3 notes weren't consistently shown throughout the index, so it was kind of misleading as to the requirements for those. And that's all I have for Index 410.